Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: power, tip, and filament. Plug in and let the pen reach operating temperature. This prevents clogs and inconsistent flow. Once warm, feed filament gently while pressing the extrusion button so you see steady flow. This proves the drive gear and tip align. Make a short test stroke on scrap paper to calibrate pressure. If flow is smooth, you're ready to trace your first line. If not, stop and reseat the filament, then try again. You now focus on controlled motion and layer planning to make strong doodles. Move the pen steadily. Think of speed controlling line width. Slower equals thicker. Once done with a base outline, add overlapping strokes to build height and strength, making sure each layer bonds before the next. If you need curves, pivot your wrist rather than the whole arm to maintain precision. Make sure to use pauses at junctions so the molten filament cools and adheres. That prevents weak seam. You complete the piece by allowing adequate cooling time so shapes hold. Rushing can squash details. After cooling, trim stray strings with cutters and lightly sand for a clean finish. If things go wrong, say, a clog, stop, retract filament, reheat the tip, and feed new filament slowly while pressing extrusion. That clears blockages without damaging the drive. Finally, store spare tips and remaining filament in a dry place to maintain performance and be ready for your next project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.